Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jongpi.
Meghalaya deserves more. Looking at the development work that is happening in your neighboring state in last 6 years in Assam, one feels pain that why we cannot do more in the state of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya. Meghalaya deserves better healthcare, whether it is your public healthcare system, PHC, or other district level healthcare system. Meghalaya needs better education facility from primary education to higher education.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party haga arpu pratarik unai wing arjar puar kala Dawa ya Sorkar jela baka banwan ya kilat kilinti na kabenta bantungkam ya ki Bahaïng hasem Jong kisan Ngut Lanot ki baladu ya la ka Jong ka jingem haga jingsha senret kuli haki pulet ka jela Assam haga arpu artarik unai wing arjar puar haga Shnong Mukroh West Jaintia Hills District. Hak jingkren bakila patai kubor u National Secretary jongka BJP u Shri Rituraj Sinha u loong baka Sorkar jela kadiru ban bay ya kajilot jingsap jongki arngut ki nongsong Shnong jongka Shnong Mukroh ki bala mensaw hak jingsha siat kuli haki pulet Assam hak Shnong Mukroh ki badang don mentah pedang ke jing sumar Hanigrims Hospital Shillong.
So I visited Mukroh personally with a delegation of our state president Mr. Mauri, our minister here, Mr. Shanbor Solai, also our senior leader and MLA, Mr. A.L. Harji. We were there last evening in the village. I met with all the 5 families that have lost their loved ones. I'd like to say 2-3 things. Number 1, BJP has gone to the village and extended financial assistance to each of the families and shared their sorrow. Most other political parties have not even taken the pain of traveling all the way and meeting the ones who have suffered. Number 2, we believe that if the neighboring state, Assam State Police, has acted out of line, judicial inquiry has already been constituted. We are appealing to the CM of Assam, our BJP leader, and a delegation led by Mr. Mauri is going to meet him on 30th to present our case and say that if Assam police has acted out of line, strongest action should be taken. But at the same time, I would like to raise 2 questions. First question is, the Home Minister of this state hails from UDP, he hails from Jaintia region. The way the police is managed in Meghalaya, with everything centered around Shillong and not adequate support for the people in the interior areas, I think it is time for the Home Minister to take some responsibility. He should resign because he has been unable to discharge his duties. At the same time, we also humbly request the CM of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangmaji. I have met the families personally. Some of them are 39-year-old person, 40-year-old person, 4 children, 5 children, underage children. They have a whole life to look after. I urge CM Meghalaya to kindly give one government job to each of the persons who has lost life. Each family deserves support from the government. In the long term, they should be given government job. That is our appeal. We will be writing to the government about this. Humbly request all people that violence is not going to be a solution to any problem. Attacking outsiders, stopping roads is not going to solve the issue. We need to sit down on the table and talk. And we will try our best that BJP, even as we are not fully in power here, we are only a small ally in the coalition, we will fully try to support the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam to come together and solve the people's problem. BJP stands with the people of Meghalaya, stands with the people of Jaintia Hills, stands with the people of Mukroh village especially, and we'll do our best to support them. BJP believes in democracy. We believe in the choice of people and the voice of people, and I'm sure that the people of Meghalaya will choose a double engine government this time.